Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring you a review video from Born Pretty Store. My next items from Born Pretty Store for review are these three right here, two gel polishes, and this is also a gel product, but I'll tell you about it in just a second. So this very first gel polish that I have here, this one is from the Deluxe Thermal Gel series. So it is a thermal one that changes color, and I will do swatches for both of these on some nail sticks that I have. There it is, beautiful formula. We'll see what it changes to when we put it to a test. I honestly forgot what I had ordered. Now this one, absolutely gorgeous. It's from the Starry Sky Gel series. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. So it's not a pink, it's more of a peach color with gorgeous, very micro holographic glitters as well. I don't know that I will say chunky glitters, but they're very various size holographic glitters in there, again in a peach color, and it just goes on solid. We'll do a test swatch on that. In this one, I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to show you. So it's a glitter carve gel. This is 3D gel, okay? This is not the spider gel or the drone gel, but I wanted to show you how it is sealed. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see the color. Okay, so here's the beautiful glittery purple color of that 3D gel. Oh, that is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so 3D gel, I'm going to demonstrate how to use that. So let me go ahead and move on to the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. So there's what that deep purple changes to. It's a pretty bright pink. Let's go ahead and do a second coat on it. And it's not really a purple, it's more of a plum color in the cold state. The pink is how it came out of the lamp, so that was warm. Very opaque on the second coat. Let's try the glitter one. Great coverage in the second, even the first coat of this glitter polish, guys. It does have some chunky glitter in there, but not too large. I love the coverage of it. Even with the first coat, it had this glitter spreads really well. I mean, I love that. I love this formula of, you know, types of glitters where you don't have to like dab it on. So that did really well. Let me go ahead and cure these, and I am curing them for 30 seconds under my LED lamp. Okay guys, so here they are straight out of the lamp after I applied a glossy top coat. Look at that. So yes, you can see this is already changing. It is that bright pink in the warm and a deep plum color. Not that I will say quite burgundy when it's cold. I'm loving this beautiful peach holographic glitter. So gorgeous. And okay, yeah, so they're done. And it does have, you know, you feel somewhat of the bumps from the glitter, but absolutely gorgeous. They cure really well. I love the formula on both of those. Now let's go ahead and give the 3D gel a try. And having worked with other 3D gels before, guys, this is the first one I have. All the ones that I have are solid colors, nothing with glitter. And they do have a variety, these come in a variety of colors. I will have links of all these items that I'm reviewing today down in the description bar below. And remember that I do have a 10% discount for Born Pretty Store. It's ID UK31. Let me go ahead and place this, I believe. So, yeah, so let me go ahead and grab a little more. And what I start doing, sorry it's going out of focus, is create a little bit of a bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and make a flower. And start here with my thumb. And normally, since I'm just doing a test, see if I was to do this more permanent, I will buff the shine off. This is finished with the top coat, but let's just go ahead and get here with that. I'm going to use my silicone tool and just start giving it a shape here. And I should have my alcohol ready. Let me do that. But yes, the alcohol is just something that you do. I just I mean, this silicone tool doesn't really absorb much alcohol, right? But this is just enough to get it to, so it doesn't stick to the gel. You just give it whatever shape you want. This is going to depend on how much pressure you put in here. Let's say that's my first petal right there, and I'll go ahead and make 2 more. Okay, so this is after I cured it for a full minute after I'm done with the 3D flower petals. And I finished it with a pearl in the center and some glossy gel top coat, no white top coat. What do you guys think? Very simple and easy to do. So yes, I'll have to say I love working with 3D gel. I've used 3D gels before. This is the first time I use one from Born Pretty store. And yes, 2 thumbs up for this one. And I like that. I'm looking forward to some of their other colors also in glitter. Super, super cool. So that is the end of this review, guys. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below, as well as my 10% discount code, which is IDUK31. You may apply that throughout any regular price item on Born Pretty store. I would like to thank Born Pretty store for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.